Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. Today we are on Bullets+Butterflies M2 by Richard Bushey. Let's see how this one goes. Looks like it's from January 22nd, 1996. Let's see if there's any more than the first. Okay. Bullets with Butterfly Wings. Okay, so the Smashing Pumpkins track, I'm assuming. I wonder if you're supposed to listen to that song while playing this, or maybe if they use it as inspiration or were listening to it while mapping. And sort of march to their doom. Oops. Oh hey, damn it. Oh, I survived. Okay, I think I'm already getting a sense of the general structure. Funny that that's purple, but only charged 2 layers. I have to charge again, damn it. I like that sort of damn it. Like that sort of flat here, and then it goes out into something more open, although for the most part the open spots are where the liquid is, and so you're likely to sink down to the liquid. Huh, funny that one side just has 1 layer of shields. Alright, I'm just going to go out into the fray. We need to get out there uninterrupted. Let's see if there's anything of note down here. See, there's an oxygen recharger. Looks like possibly a secret door. Okay. Yeah, it leads to invincibility. Great. It's kind of a cool idea. I also like that some of the items are placed mid-air like that. Mid-water, rather. This would be good in Infinity with the SMG. Oh, great. Nice vantage point up here. Assuming it's pretty similar on all sides. The hub. Let's explore quickly while I have this luxury of... Wait a minute. What happens if I go down here? See something visible on the map. I can't seem to get up to it, so maybe it's something accessible at a higher level. So I'm going to take the time past the usual 3-minute mark to explore more. Yeah, lots of carnage in here. I'm assuming it's basically the same over here. Looks like it. Although I noticed more shotgun shells around here, but on the other side. Wait a minute, what's this? Okay, cool secret. The question is, what's this on this side here? Is there something similar on the other side? Actually, I see it looks like there's a switch. Oh wait, no, that's just the oxygen recharger, never mind. Yeah, I don't even think you can use it, so it's kind of pointless, unless there's some sort of switch that allows you to turn it on and off. Okay, where did that take me? Okay, I think I see it. Fuck. Keep getting interrupted. If I see something on the map, it might be be a secret. Can't get out of here to explore. Okay, here's an interesting secret. Okay, looks like it's just for a rocket launcher. Still a cool idea though. I like all these little secret pockets in here, in this map. I think this one's waiting to kill me. Yeah. Yeah, I really wonder how to get to that part at the bottom. But I guess I've explored enough, really. So, let's see what's up next. I think there's just something modified a bit. Okay, one more by Richard Bushey and then we'll be done. You're an H-O. Okay. Let's see on the map. Something like you better, something water now, boy. This looks interesting. I like how there are oxygen tanks. Like they expect you to be submerged so much for so long that you'll die before getting killed by something else. Maybe whoever made this is right because there's a lot of water. I suppose it said it's with physics, so I'm guessing it allows for underwater excuse me, underwater use of weapons. That would make good sense. To that point, maybe when I'm done demoing this, I'll try that out with the physics. Maybe it'll have aliens loaded in there so I can still have some combat. Some cool secrets in here though. And I'm glad to know that someone else has done that, you know, made largely underwater maps like that. And I would have been sure someone did anyway. I've already made a couple. I have one in mind that I can put together fairly quickly, although that one wouldn't rely on an external physics file per se, even though, as some of you may already know, I have a physics file that allows you to shoot normal weapons, all weapons underwater aside from the SMG, but this map I'm imagining will have plenty of SMGs in it, and SMG ammo, just to be on the safe side for instances where people who play it don't have any physics turned on. But I can't seem to find any weapons other than a second pistol. I can't seem to get back up here. There we go. Okay, so I can skip that rocket launcher. Fusion gun. I like this big open area with the water all around. What the hell was that? Some weird skip. Alright, well, we get the idea, I think, so let's see what happens if we load it up with the physics. You're in hot water now, boy, that's what it's called, okay. Okay, let's Give that a shot. Oops. Had the survival script loaded. Let's turn that off. Maybe this one has aliens in it. Okay, yep. Wait, what the fuck is that? Oh, at least because I have the conflict shapes loaded. I think, yeah, they replaced the ticks, so that's why it looks weird. Alright. Now for real. Yep. Shoot underwater. Still a little hard at times to get out of the water. At least it's not that hard. You just have to really look for where to go. And not little weapons either. So I guess the idea is that the matches would largely consist of racing for the weapons. It seems to be a more common sensibility in some of these older net maps, where it was more accepted to have maps with sparse supplies, or even sparse spawn points. Like in one map I covered recently, of course, where everyone starts at the same spot, and at first it almost seemed like a linear solo level. People are just supposed to race around for where the supplies are, and then just kill that way. But wait, what's this? Okay, I thought it'd be cool if you could reach some secret area that way, going to the top of the liquid, sewage or whatever, the water. But anyway, I think we get the idea there. So, yes, next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will cover King Carnage by Zach Norwood and beyond. Switch back to normal. It'll be great. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.